Welcome to Body Make and Health Management. I'm so glad you're here, ready to take control of your health. Are you constantly tired, bloated, or in pain? You know, those nagging things we just brush off as part of life? Well, chronic inflammation could be the silent culprit behind many of these health issues. But the good news? You can fight inflammation naturally through the food you eat. In this video, we'll break down the top anti-inflammatory foods you should add to your diet for better energy, improved health, and a longer life. We're talking simple swaps, delicious recipes, and easy tips to make healthy living sustainable. Let's dive in. Chapter 1. What is inflammation? Before we get to the good stuff, all those delicious foods, let's quickly understand what inflammation actually is. Now, inflammation itself isn't a bad thing. In fact, it's your body's natural defense mechanism. Think about it. When you cut yourself or catch a virus, your immune system sends white blood cells to fight off harm, right? That's acute inflammation. And it's a good thing. It's how your body heals and protects itself. But here's the catch. Chronic inflammation is different. It's like your body is stuck in fight mode, constantly battling an invisible enemy. And over time, this constant state of alert leads to damage instead of healing. We're talking serious health issues like heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, and even Alzheimer's. These are big players, and chronic inflammation is often a silent contributor. But I have good news for you. Certain foods can actually calm this constant immune response naturally. It's like hitting the reset button on your body's defense system, giving it a break from being on high alert all the time. So, are you ready to discover the foods that can help you fight inflammation and regain control of your health? Let's get to it. Chapter 2. Berries, nature's sweet medicine. First up, we're talking about berries. Think blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, all those vibrant, delicious fruits that just scream, "Eat me." And you know what? You should listen to them. Berries are like nature's little powerhouses, packed with antioxidants. And when I say antioxidants, I'm talking specifically about anthocyanins. These guys are like the superheroes of the antioxidant world, fighting off those nasty free radicals that cause damage to your cells. But here's what's really cool. Anthocyanins don't just fight free radicals. They also lower levels of inflammatory markers in the body. That means less inflammation, less pain, and more energy for you. And the research backs this up. Studies have shown that a bowl of blueberries a day can actually reduce inflammation in people with metabolic syndrome. That's pretty powerful stuff. So, how do you incorporate more berries into your diet? It's easy. Add them to your smoothies, sprinkle them on your oatmeal, or just grab a handful for a quick and healthy snack. Trust me, your body will thank you. Chapter 3. Olive oil liquid gold. Next up, let's talk about olive oil. But not just any olive oil. We're talking about extra virgin olive oil, the good stuff. This is one of the healthiest fats you can eat. And it's a staple in the Mediterranean diet, which is consistently ranked as one of the healthiest diets in the world. What makes extra virgin olive oil so special? Well, it contains a compound called oleocanthal, and this little guy is a game changer when it comes to fighting inflammation. You see, oleocanthal actually works in a similar way to ibuprofen, that over-the-counter pain reliever you might take for headaches or muscle soreness. But here's the difference. With olive oil, you're getting the anti-inflammatory benefits without the potential side effects of medication. It's a natural, delicious way to reduce inflammation and support your overall health. Now here's a pro tip. Not all olive oils are created equal. Make sure you're choosing extra virgin olive oil, as it's the least processed and retains the highest levels of beneficial compounds. Use it as your go-to cooking oil, drizzle it over salads, or even use it as a dip for bread. And one more thing, avoid refined vegetable oils like the plague. These processed oils do the opposite of olive oil. They actually promote inflammation in the body, so stick with the good stuff. Your body will thank you. Chapter 4. Fatty fish omega-3 power. Now let's dive into the world of fatty fish. We're talking salmon, sardines, mackerel, anchovies, all those delicious fish that are packed with omega-3 fatty acids. And let me tell you, omega-3s are like the rock stars of the nutrition world, especially when it comes to fighting inflammation. You see, these healthy fats work their magic by reducing cytokines, which are molecules that trigger inflammation in the body. So by eating more omega-3s, you're essentially lowering the volume on your body's inflammatory response, allowing it to calm down and heal. And the best part is, you don't need a lot of fatty fish to reap the benefits. Eating fatty fish just 2 to 3 times a week can make a huge difference for your health. We're talking reduced joint pain, improved heart health, and even better brain function. So, how do you incorporate more fatty fish into your diet? It's easier than you think. Try grilled salmon with roasted vegetables for a quick and healthy dinner. Opt for sardines or mackerel on toast for a flavorful lunch. Or add some anchovies to your pizza for a salty, savory kick. The possibilities are endless. Chapter 4. Nuts and seeds small but mighty. Don't underestimate the power of nuts and seeds. These little guys may be small, but they are mighty when it comes to fighting inflammation. We're talking walnuts, almonds, pistachios, chia seeds, flax seeds, all packed with fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants. Let's take walnuts for example. These brain-boosting nuts contain alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid that's been shown to reduce inflammation throughout the body. And almonds? They're a great source of vitamin E, another powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. And don't even get me started on chia seeds and flax seeds. These little nutritional powerhouses are loaded with fiber, which is essential for a healthy gut. And a healthy gut means a healthy immune system, which means less inflammation overall. The best part about nuts and seeds is that they're incredibly versatile. Sprinkle them on your salads, add them to your smoothies, or just grab a handful for a satisfying and healthy snack. Just a small handful of mixed nuts a day can make a big difference in your fight against inflammation. Chapter 6. Spices flavor with healing power. Let's spice things up a bit. Did you know that certain spices are natural inflammation fighters? It's true. And 2 of the most powerful spices in the fight against inflammation are turmeric and ginger. Turmeric, that golden spice that gives curry its vibrant color, contains a compound called curcumin. And curcumin, my friends, is a potent anti-inflammatory agent. It's been shown to reduce inflammation in a variety of conditions, from arthritis to heart disease. Then we have ginger, another culinary superstar with powerful medicinal properties. Ginger blocks inflammatory pathways in the body and can even reduce muscle pain and soreness. It's no wonder ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. So how do you incorporate these powerful spices into your diet? It's easy. Add turmeric to your rice, soups, or even make yourself a soothing cup of golden milk before bed. Try fresh ginger in your tea, or add it to stir-fries for a zesty kick. Not only will your food taste amazing, but you'll also be giving your body a powerful dose of anti-inflammatory goodness. Chapter 7. Leafy greens alkalize and detoxify. Now let's talk about leafy greens. You know, those vegetables your parents always told you to eat? Well, they were onto something. Dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are nutritional powerhouses, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help fight inflammation. First off, they're loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, all known for their anti-inflammatory properties. These vitamins work together to protect your cells from damage, reduce oxidative stress, and support a healthy immune system. But that's not all. Leafy greens are also rich in magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in regulating inflammatory responses in the body. Magnesium helps to calm down the immune system, preventing it from overreacting and causing chronic inflammation. So, how do you get more leafy greens into your diet? It's easier than you think. Toss them into your salads, blend them into smoothies, or sauté them with garlic and olive oil for a simple and delicious side dish. Your body will thank you for it. Chapter 8. Green tea calm in a cup. Let's talk about green tea. And no, I'm not just talking about any tea. I'm talking about green tea, the beverage that's been enjoyed for centuries for its health benefits. And when it comes to fighting inflammation, green tea is a true champion. What makes green tea so special? Well, it's loaded with a powerful compound called epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG for short. And EGCG is a potent antioxidant that's been shown to reduce inflammation at the cellular level. That means it goes straight to the source, protecting your cells from damage and reducing the underlying causes of inflammation. And the research backs this up. Studies have shown that regular green tea drinkers have lower levels of inflammatory markers in their blood. That means less inflammation throughout the body, leading to a lower risk of chronic diseases. So, how much green tea should you be drinking? Well, aiming for 1 to 3 cups per day is a good starting point. And the best part is, green tea is naturally calorie-free and delicious, making it a healthy and refreshing beverage choice any time of day. Chapter 9. Foods to avoid. We've talked about all the amazing foods that can help fight inflammation, but what about the foods that do the opposite? Because let's be real, we can't talk about a healthy diet without addressing the not-so-healthy stuff. So here's the deal, to truly benefit from all those anti-inflammatory superstars we just discussed, you also need to cut back on the foods that fuel inflammation. Think of it as a two-pronged approach, adding in the good and reducing the bad. First on the list, processed foods. These culinary culprits are often loaded with unhealthy fats, added sugars, and artificial ingredients, all of which contribute to inflammation in the body. And let's not forget about sugary drinks. Sodas, fruit juices, and sweetened beverages are basically sugar bombs that spike your blood sugar levels and trigger an inflammatory response. Next, up-refined carbs. White bread, pasta, and rice are stripped of their fiber and nutrients, leaving behind simple carbs that are quickly digested and lead to blood sugar spikes and inflammation. And let's not forget about fried foods. Those crispy, crunchy treats are often cooked in unhealthy oils that promote inflammation throughout the body. And finally, let's talk about alcohol. While a glass of red wine now and then might have some health benefits, excessive alcohol consumption is a surefire way to increase inflammation in the body. So moderation is key. So there you have it. We've explored the power of anti-inflammatory foods and how they can transform your health. Remember, it's not about deprivation. It's about making smart choices that nourish your body and help you feel your best. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to Body Making Health Management for more insights and tips to help you succeed. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next video.